Hi everyone, this is Agent Vicky with agentvicky.com, and as you know, I am with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Franklin Group, and I am inviting you to a public event which is being held at our office, which is 69 East, 200 North in Kaysville. And our office is, if you know where the Walgreens is, right on the corner of Main and 200 North, so we're right behind the Walgreens, or some of you might know on the other side of us is the Kaysville Library. So the event is held on March 27th. It's a Tuesday evening and it starts at 6:30. So this is for anybody in the community, anybody in the public that is interested or thinking about buying. So it's a really informative kind of event. Basically, it's like a class which teaches you all the things you need to know about being a buyer, right from lending options, inspections, home warranties, and also just a little bit about what the market's doing right now, so that you're the best prepared that you can be. So when you're ready to, when you found a house and ready to put in an offer, you're totally prepared and know what to expect. So again, that's Tuesday, March 27th, 6:30 at our office at 69 East, 200 North in Kaysville. Hope to see you there.